not familiar, and that would be our last and when to get it done. I have gone and clean nails are my aesthetic. A green tea, this, but during the festivals, I just had to make. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Happy Wednesday. It is October 8th and I thought why not bring you guys along a few days in my life but also squeeze in a little bit prep and celebration for Karwa Chauth. So Karwa Chauth is this Friday, October 10th, and if you're not familiar with this festival, Karwa Chauth is a Hindu festival wherein wives fast for their husband, like for their prosperity and long lives, and it's a beautiful colorful festival. To be honest, I wait for this day eagerly every year. AB and I have our own traditions. We fast together, we go for a coffee after our katha, and he takes me shopping, so I'm always pretty excited about it. I wanted to start this vlog tomorrow, that is on Thursday morning, but I am heading out right now to the salon to get my nails cut and filed. They are pretty long right now, so I want to get them filed, and I also want to get my arms waxed. So I thought why not start this vlog and take you guys along. Also, I might take a peek at the Mehndi wale bhaiyas sitting down in the market. I have no clue what I want to get for my henna this year. I know that I wanna go super minimal because whenever I have full hands of henna, it becomes so difficult for me to either cook or wear my lenses or wash my face, that kind of stuff. So not sure, maybe once I'm back, I'll go on Pinterest, and I'm also contemplating when should I get my henna done. Like, should I apply it tonight, that is Wednesday night, or is it too early? Maybe I'll go there tomorrow early morning. I'll have to explore and decide. But yeah, let's get going. I'll quickly fetch a bag and let's head out to the salon. Okay, so I quickly changed into this shrug because I feel like that was a bit thick and it would be really hot in the salon with all the blow dryers going on. So yeah, luckily I do not have to get anything done for my hair, otherwise it would take me really long. But I am hoping to come back soon and prepare lunch. I have some stuff already out, let me show you. So I'm thinking of making burgers with the homemade veggie patty, and I think I'm gonna boil some corn. So I already have these burger patties thawing out, but I'm aiming to be back in about 1 hour, so let's see. I've been back home for a while now. Lunch is prepared. I have corn and a homemade burger. I wanted to keep things really chill today. After I'm done with my lunch, I'm gonna jump straight into editing. I wanna be done with this Saturday's video before Karwa Chauth, and then I'm gonna find some time to look into Pinterest. I wanna look for some minimal henna designs. I'm still very confused what to do and when to get it done, so let's see. For now, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and I'll be back with you. I have been sitting here for an hour trying to decide what to get. I just can't make up my mind. Literally clueless. Let's see, I'm gonna update you in any case. Good morning guys and happy Thursday. I am so glad that I went to get my henna done. Oh, by the way, this is how it's looking this morning, and I'm so glad that I got it done yesterday itself because I have the whole day today to prep for tomorrow morning, like the sargi. I also want to paint my nails. I got them trimmed and I feel like clean nails are my aesthetic now, and I love how they look, but so sorry, AB is making coffee and we're about to have a breakfast. In the morning, I prepped some avocado mash and I'm just toasting some sourdough and we're gonna have it with our coffee.
Smell this.
Wow. We got
शॉर्ट निकला उसकी भी बहुत अच्छी.
we got this grind I think a couple of days ago. When was it? Today is Thursday. I think Tuesday. We got it on Tuesday and it smells heavenly. Well, we're gonna have our breakfast and then I think I'm gonna start prepping for tomorrow. Get my dress ready. If it needs to be ironed, I'll iron it and then paint my nails, get my thali ready and everything by night. Yeah, so that's the plan and I'm excited to take you along. Long time no chat. Well, I've been glued to my laptop since we last spoke. I have been editing all day. It's around 2:30. It's 2:30 p.m. and I'm just struggling to get the Saturday's video ready. It's a 30-minute vlog, hence it's taking me time. It's so noisy outside, the road is so busy, but yeah, I've been editing all day. The thing is, I do not want to take all of my editing into the weekend because firstly I want to enjoy tomorrow is my day to relax and just be. Secondly, we are traveling on Saturday. I don't think so I've mentioned it yet, but by the time you watch this vlog, I'll be back home. It's a very quick trip to Chandigarh. In my last vlog I mentioned that we had to attend someone's housewarming and it's in Chandigarh. It's AB's friend's housewarming. So we'll be very quick, just in and out, and I'll be vlogging that too. This past week has been full of vlogging and editing, and honestly I'm starting to feel a bit tired. My eyes are always swollen. So I've sworn that today I'm gonna sleep on time because anyways I'm gonna get up very early tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna sleep early today, get everything ready, but I just stepped away from my desk because I really need to relax. So I made myself a green tea. This one's peach flavored. So just wanted to switch things up, and I'm sitting down here to paint my nails because I haven't done that yet. So I'll just put on some YouTube and sip on my tea and paint my nails and just be and relax for a bit, and then after a while I think I'm gonna hop on back to editing, make sure that the editing is all done today. I don't mind making a thumbnail tomorrow because making thumbnails is always therapeutic, but apart from all of that, sorry if I look like a mess. I feel like my hair's that's okay, we're gonna ignore it for today. So I was saying that I wanna finish the editing. I don't mind working on the thumbnail tomorrow, I can always do that, but that's the plan. And I think I'm gonna keep everything ready for tomorrow's sarki tonight, like the thali prepped, meals prepped. I'm thinking of making sukhe aloo with plain parantha. Parantha can be done in the morning, but everything else I want to get it done and I want to leave minimal work for tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. Now I'll have my green tea and paint my nails, and I'm gonna see you later. Alright, nails are done. iPad is dead, but I do not know what to feel about my nails. I don't like it that much. but that's okay. In case I do not like it, I think I'll go with my plain old nails, but let's see. Alright, you guys, it is almost 8 p.m. and I'm about to go to bed, and I've kept all the things ready for tomorrow morning. This is aloo ki sabzi, and I've made fenia too. Nuts are soaking in water, and I've got my thali out. Also, one more thing. I ordered these power patches from Benzac because I suspect a spot coming in, and this one's good for emerging spots. This is something I've never heard of. Like, I have other acne patches which are good for whiteheads and stuff, but never seen something that acts on emerging spots. So yeah, really looking forward to trying it out, and not looking forward to it because who wants spots to come up during the festival season or on events, but it is what it is, and I just wanted to be handy in case I do not use it. It might come handy on other days, but I do think I'm getting an acne on my good side of the face. Okay, so this is my vibe right now. I have my chamomile tea. I'm gonna sip on it and go to bed, and I couldn't be happier. So yeah, good night. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning and happy Friday, and a happy Karwa Chauth to everyone who's celebrating. I just got up a while ago and we're just gonna have a sargi, and I think I'm gonna go to bed again because I'm really tired and I wanna relax today. If I hadn't made that clear, but yeah, I'm not that hungry, so let's see. I think I'm gonna have some nuts, fenia, and some coconut water, and then I'll go to bed, and I'll probably see you after a lot of hours. I know this is gonna go a bit late, but I still hope that everyone out there who's celebrating Karwa Chauth is having a wonderful day. Hi guys, good afternoon. It has been a while since I woke up and I got tomorrow's video ready. I just had to make a thumbnail, so I did that. Took a shower, got ready, and also prepped dinner. Let me show you. So dal is already in the fridge, but I made paneer ki sabzi. We're gonna have it with rice. I did not make rice, but I have the onions already char grilled for that. But yeah, we are just about to do our katha, and then we're gonna step out to have our coffee. So we have a little spin on this tradition, like you know how people after doing the katha, they have their chai or coffee at home. Well, from the very beginning, AB has always taken me out for my coffee, so that is what we'll be doing, and then he's gonna take me shopping. I think I already mentioned it in the vlog. Also, one more thing came in. So these pimple patches came in, and I did not use one under the makeup because it was my first time trying. I did not want to risk it. I'm gonna use it at night if needed, but let's see. Anyways, I'm gonna sit and do my katha, and I'm gonna see you maybe either on the way or at the cafe or at the mall. So we are at Tim Hortons at Golf Course Road. First we decided to head out to Vasant Kunj Ambience Mall and have coffee there itself. But both me and Devi are having headaches. So we decided to get our coffees here in Gurgaon, and then we'll head to shopping. But yeah, I just ordered 2 iced lattes for both of us, and we're gonna enjoy it. And yeah, that's the latest. having a blast, by the way, spending AB's money. I'm very stingy when it comes to his money. Like, I would avoid spending it for the entire year, but not today. Today I'm going all out. Like, I'm buying expensive makeup that I won't do with my own money. So yeah, that is what is going on, and we'll shop a bit more. Actually, I'm looking for one more thing, so I'm gonna head to Sephora, and that would be our last stop, and then we are headed back home. It is almost 7 p.m. and we need to get going because we have a ride of approximately 40 to 45 minutes back home. So I guess after shopping I'm gonna see you once I reach home, and I'll try my best to show you what all I got, but let's see how the night's gonna turn out. Alright you guys, we're back home waiting for the moon to rise, but I thought why not use this time to show you what all I got. So I'm gonna start with H&M. So we have this tradition wherein you have to buy a sardi ka kapda. It can be a cardigan, it can be a suit, anything that you would need. So like most of the times I got something that I use like almost daily in winters, and that is a matching set. I practically live in these. So this time I got a chocolate brown color. It's a jogger style sweatpant with a sweatshirt, a hooded sweatshirt. It's not a zipper one, so that's okay, I don't mind. I just wear a warmer underneath and I'm good to go. And this is the color. It's a beautiful chocolate brown, and I've had my eye on this particular set since a very long time. Plus I got the sweatshirt at 40% off, and the pants I think were on 20%, so I got a good deal. And I saw H&M Beauty in person too, so did not get any makeup, but I got a pack of these silk scrunchies. I wanted these from a very long time. I was searching for the brand called Slip, but I think it's not available in India. So when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. And then I got this chocolate brown claw clip. I thought it would go really well with this matching set, plus I needed a claw clip. I think that is all I got from H&M. Moving on to Tira and Shoppers Stop. So the first store I stopped by was Shoppers Stop because I wanted the NARS Soft Matte Complete. Yeah, it's the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I'm in the shade Tiramisu. It's medium 1.75. I already used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard, but I feel like it is more brightening, and I needed this particularly for my under eyes and to spot conceal or even use it all over the face. So the girl at the NARS pop-up suggested this color, and I tried it too. So yeah, this was my first pick at the mall. And then I went to Tira. I wanted a body lotion. So I've never used this brand before, but I really liked the texture of it. And the last thing of the haul is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is the Gummy Bear Bonbon Orson. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's the gummy bear one. We also had coffee at Tim Hortons, which was honestly very mid, but I still enjoyed my entire day. And with that, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I will try to take a few clips when I'm breaking my fast, or I'll ask AB to take a few clips, but I think this would be it. If I do not take any clips, apologies in advance. I hope you understand. And I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you. Please know that no comment, like or view goes unappreciated. I appreciate you so much. It is you who keeps me going, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care, good night, and bye bye.